What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Cody with two wheels and a tent. And today we're sadly saying goodbye to the Mosko Moto backcountry 35-liter panniers and 40-liter duffel. They've served me well through Idaho, Arizona, and Utah. But it's time to move on. Now there's Chippewa with her original setup. Now I know a lot of you are upset with me right now since I've been a Mosko fanboy. What changed? Nothing. But these have just got to go. And we'll get into why. I've got this tusk rack, which is heavy. And I keep, even though we have Loctited, I keep losing these bolts off of the frame, which is not real cool. Also, it is heavy, it is bulky, and it pushes these out to the side. These are also a little heavier. Because I have a YouTube channel and need to review things, I gotta try new stuff. That's part of it. The other part is I have become better at riding, ride more aggressively. Well, I'm hitting stuff. My first trip on Chippewa with these bad boy Mosko Moto, I knocked this pannier off. Actually, it was the other side. That was user error because I hit a downed tree at like 30 miles an hour right into here. Now, if that would have been a hard pannier, it would have knocked me off the bike, but it just knocked my bag off. That was the first day in Idaho, my first day on an adventure with Chippewa. But I've come to love Mosko Moto Luggage. It's just too wide for me right now because we're doing different stuff and I'm riding with better riders. So Mosko would sell this if I send it in, which I might do. I'm not getting rid of it completely. I will be keeping it. Well, it's my first luggage set and it's still very useful, especially the duffel. I may keep that and just do some trips with just the duffel. I've had the Tusk hard panniers and I was using those for working off of the bike until one of those flew off on the freeway. The Tusk rack comes with a quick release here, and when I got this it didn't have it, so I tried to get that and they wouldn't send it to me. They wanted me to come pick it up and I just never could. It's like a $5 part. But anyway, without that, one of the hard Tusk panniers flew off on the freeway at about midnight coming down a mountain. That was terrifying and it pissed me off. So I'm just not loving Tusk. Other than their tires, you will see I do have Tusk Dual Sport Adventure tires. For the price, I love them. They're pretty much just like the D606, except about half the price. That said, the Tusk rack is coming off. I'm tired of Tusk. Cheap crap. I contacted them, let them know that the pannier flew off. I didn't get my part, blah blah blah. Johnny Mac has a good account there. He spent a couple dollars at Rocky Mountain, trust me, just a couple. And they couldn't find the order. They didn't believe that I bought the Tusk crap from there. So, unfortunately, I just don't love Tusk. And so it's going goodbye. But how am I going to go moto camping? Well, over here on the table, you'll see something else. And it is a package from a new luggage. Yep, we're still Mosko Moto. But this is a lighter solution, and the main thing is not even the weight. The main thing is this will bring the luggage closer to the bike, so I can duck and dodge through more stuff. We got the Reckless 80 Revolver. So we're going to be getting rid of the backcountry setup and the stupid Tusk rack. The only thing good about this Tusk rack so far in the year that I've had it is this is a nice pull bar when you're stuck or down a mountain or off a ledge, or you know, the places I seem to find myself. That's what we're doing here. Unboxing the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 version 3 revolver bag. Tough gear, hard travel. I love getting these because it means I've got new Mosko. Oh, by the way, thank you Mosko for the awesome shirt. I love it. Tent pole bag. The Reckless system. The Reckless 80 liner with a window so you can see what's in it. The 20-liter dry sack for your dirty laundry. The heat shield, which for the 701 and 690 is mandatory. The parts bag and Loctite, which again is mandatory on all bikes. And of course the Stinger 22. And I ordered up 4 of these clean kits for the straps to hook to. I can put a set on my 300 and on the 701. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the installation video as well as my initial thoughts and reviews on the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 system. Don't forget to check out my Utah BDR adventures as well as Idaho BDR, Arizona BDR, and the dirt bike rides. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.